batteries go. Don't let them die. Don't turn the machine off, he says, before when you're replacing
Yeah, so you've got to leave the machine power on, because once we pull the batteries, we need to make sure that the robot still has power.
If you shut the machine off and change the batteries, it will screw the robot up.
Yeah, you're gonna have a $2 Mauser.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
That might freak you out a little bit, because when you undo that, you're gonna start seeing air bubbling around it.
Oh, okay.
It's just because the robot is positively charged with pressure to keep oil from getting into it.
Just like everything else.
Just like everything else. Get the edge pulled off.
Okay.
And then it's going to be 2 flat heads to actually open the battery tray. Cover pops off.
There it is.
We can see our batteries.
Okay.
I always do. I do them 2 at a time so I don't get the orientation wrong. So I'll pull one out, put the new in the same way, pull one out, put the new in. Just that way I don't get mixed up and try and find the Japanese symbol for plus and minus or anything.
Yeah, I don't need that.
Pull one out, put it in. Pull that last one out. Put it in. And then reassemble. And pick it apart.
That just goes on anyway right there?
Yep, it's the same top and bottom. It's symmetrical. And then it's spring loaded, so you kind of hold it with your thumb to get the 2 screws to start.
Spend the extra money on good batteries.
Yeah, buy some Duracell or something. I think you put Walmart batteries in your I'll have words with you. I don't get why people would cheap out on that.
I don't need it.
And then the cover's got a little gasket on it.
Okay.
It's kind of like a steel layer one, almost like a head gasket, so it just kind of stays there. I've never seen one tear or anything. Put your 4 bolts in, snug everything back up.
Sounds good. Easy peasy.